Hey guys, this is Laura from Purl Soho, and I'm going to show you how to s2pp. Now that means slip 2, purl 1, pass. And I'm going to show you exactly what all of that means, but first a couple notes. One, this is a double decrease, so I'm decreasing 2 stitches. And the other note is that it doesn't slant either left or right. It's a centered decrease. And it creates this really beautiful kind of raised ridge here on the right side, even though it's actually worked on the wrong side of the fabric. So here I've purled up to the center 3 stitches of my swatch, and I'm going to work this decrease over these 3 stitches. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is slip 1 purlwise. The next thing I'm going to do is slip 1 knitwise. Then I'm going to take the tip of my left needle and I'm going to insert it into these 2 slipped stitches, just into those front 2 legs there. And then I'm going to just slip my right needle out. Now the idea here is to transfer those 2 slip stitches from the right needle to the left needle without them losing their new orientation. The next thing I'm going to do is use the tip of my right needle and insert it into the back loops of both of those stitches and then slip them over to that right needle. Now I'm ready to purl 1. And so here we have 2 slip stitches and a purl stitch, and we're finally ready for the pass step. I'm going to use the tip of my right needle. I'm going to insert it into the back of the 2 slip stitches. Just grab a hold of them and pass them over that purled stitch. And that's it. That's how you s2pp.